Most schools have been back in session for a month in Arkansas. We're getting a better idea of how COVID-19 is impacting the classroom. Tonight, the Arkansas Department of Health is weighing in on the number of school teachers testing positive for COVID-19. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker has more.
Both Springdale and Fort Smith school districts have 23 cumulative COVID-19 cases in faculty and staff. But the ADH says from the data, educators are not at a higher risk than the general public of contracting the virus.
Most schools, what they've had problems with the teachers is teachers who've been exposed to someone who's positive and therefore have to be quarantined. That has affected a number of schools. They're trying to make sure they have enough teachers or substitutes to continue classes.
ADH health physician specialist in outbreak response, Dr. Joel Tomlinson says in the month students and teachers have been back in the classroom, districts are reevaluating how they can limit a teacher's exposure.
How can they change the way they teach or where they're standing in the classroom, or can we spread them out more, put them in a different spot in the room? All of those things to try and cut down on how often they have close contact with students in general.
The Fort Smith School District says from June until the week school started, there were 6 faculty and staff members who had tested positive for the virus. And now the cumulative total is at 23.
There is a healthy concern throughout the district for the situation that we're in right now. And so working together, we hope that we can make an impact that will be the safest.
Right now, the Fort Smith School District doesn't have a reportable number of faculty and staff cases, meaning the number is 5 or less. In Fort Smith, covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
Almost 24 school districts in the state have not had any faculty and staff COVID-19 cases. In our area, those districts include Fayetteville and Huntsville.